What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed over to a car meet. Technically it's a block party. It's really unique, really cool. It's hosted by Prime, which is a local car club here in New York City. They would do this annually right after 7's Day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to attend 7's Day this year, but it was absolutely insane from what I've heard. So right now we're headed over to the block party that they're hosting. It's going to be super fun. It's like an all-day event. It starts at 1. We're going to get there around like 12:55. So right on time, I guess you could say. As you can see, we're in the CS. Got the windows up because it's absolutely brutal outside. It's like 95 degrees and it's muggy and nasty. Just saw a C8 pass by, Corvette. Those are cool. But enough about me. Let's get some driving in, yeah? Let's not get copyrighted. Alright, so let's go ahead and drop it down. We're in 7th gear right now, as you guys can see. Hold on. Alright, now we're in 4th. Let's get some driving in. People do not know how to drive in New York, I swear to God. We just got to Ground Speed Labs. There's some crazy cars here. There's a GT500 right behind me. There's a bunch of S2000s up front. Like, cool, super cool cars. And, like, I love it. Let's see if they let us in. I feel like I'm like the outcast today. Let's see what they have.
It's a block party 2024. Ready to have a good time. It's hot today. You gotta stay safe out there.
Drink water.
Got a lot of nice cars, man.
Check it out.
Good one.
Let me see the shirt. The back of the shirt is fire. Stupid fire. Oh my God. Looks good.
Alright.
Hey, what's up? Thank you.
Better be down, don't be trusting. Better be down, let me down, in the SC, are you sexy and stuff? If you're sexy and strengths and you're heavy, I get you that shit, they best eat it on. Oh my God. It's the man with the yellow car. Yo, where your wheels at, bro?
On the right.
You didn't get the memo? He didn't just pull up in a Hyundai Veloster.
Just got to the meet with the guys. Yo. What up? What up? Oh, this Turbo S is so beautiful. I can't even to get mine. Fire. That shit is nice. Advon GTs. That's not Frankie. That is Frankie.
Yo, is that one by Easy? Yo, park next to me.
Oh, whoa. What up?
You got the AC on?
Yo, what's up, man? Say what's up to the vlog. What are you driving? What do you do for a living?
Volkswagen. I work at Apple.
Huh?
I work at Applebee's.
You work at Applebee's? Very nice. Nice Volkswagen. Is this, what's the color of this gray?
This is Poverty Blue.
Poverty Blue.
What up, Poppy?
SRT4, you don't see these no more. Nice. You don't see these no more, any. EF.
Check her out. Lynch's watermelon. Very tasty bakes.
I don't care. I think Scott. I don't think it's like me paying for it.
Straight down, tell them not to block the height.
Oh man. New York, New York, New York, New York. Over there, I got that in my Audi. Smells real great. Hell Crab, we got Venus and Fifth. The racing channel.
Oh, the racing channel's here?
Tea House. Keeping it unknown.
Nice.
Also, make sure you know you cannot stop it.
Right side, maybe. I think they finished.
The first raffle. Big shout out to all my Boricuas. Close that hat. Better close that hat. Nobody told you to take out the AC. Ooh, EL? A-Series EL? That's converted? Looks good though. You just gotta
Nice
fix
wheels.
the fitment on that rear bumpers.
Woo.
Hey,
Oh
yo,
my
man,
God.
at least get some SI and rocking that Mets hat. You can wear Dow Strawberry. Let's get it. I just got that word. Look like Jersey about to make their way to Queens. Panda Fest look like it got rained on. The black brand, the last, I don't discriminate. I regulate every shade of the run that you show class and pass my test. Fat breast, I let you tell it. Keep it unknown, what's good? That's the best of all. They doing that film today. When you see them with that camera in their hand, make sure you get in that camera. Don't do none of that Diddy stuff though. Okay? It's just a found Joe, every pretty round brown. I thought I just saw a ghost. My man looked like Kurt Cobain.
This is sick.
Hey, yo, my man with the white SI, I like it. My man got the Legacy Forge wheels on it. Tell Danny I said what's up. Yo, my man, why your hood look half white? You ain't watch that shit? Damn, son. Damn, son. Hey, yo, you know a lot of people don't know this shit crazy. Yo, look at that prelude, though. Oh, man.
They got the fans. Let's go get it.
Don't forget, you see NYPD, make sure you shake their hands. Big shout to not another racer. Very good to see you. Hey, I'm on the outfit, looking real nice. Yeah, keep it real, my man. You picked out an outfit? Liar. Yo, why you walking in front of her like that, bruh? You gotta walk behind her. Hey, Mrs. Officer. I feel like Lil Wayne right now. I'm sorry, I like the lady in uniform. Cop outfit, nursing outfit, prison jumpsuit. In a place without freak, and I have what it takes to rock, come out, oh, I love the yoga outfits. Those are the best. My man, how you gonna come up here
sick. Spirit of ecstasy. Nuts. This is sick.
Now I got feather fall. The metal that I got made. And I'm gonna
God damn. That's a nice bay. This is beautiful. Oh shit. What up, bro? How are you? Shit is sick.
Heaven knew he won because his name is on the back of the ticket. I tell you what, sometimes when they have you drive, walk all the way to the car, is that your driving license on you? Or is that in the car too? Let me see your permit. You got a permit? You're on it. Who's this guy? That's your bodyguard?
by Yeezy? Yeah. By Yeezy?
That's your friend?
You here too?
We all here.
Oh,
We out
where you
here?
work?
All here.
Since when?
Burn it up in the fucking sun.
Sun's out.
You get food?
Camera pants on.
Real dope, no joke, no smoke in your face. To your will, slap your custody, slap your work, but that's your strip. Stick it to the, yeah, so let it be known I'm black on my wrist.
Some fire jerk chicken, bro. You see that? Yo, how is that, bro? Fire.
Get that shit on me.
I didn't even.
What?
I barely even touched it, bro.
Barely even touched it. Fell off the bone just like that, huh? That shit busting.
Real quick, if you're parallel parked on Downing Street, you need to move your vehicle. Once again, if you are parallel parked on Downing Street, you need to move your vehicle. They are out there giving tickets.
Carving over, back to the hen house. Pretty good turnout today. Not bad for a Sunday. Rain coming in a few, so feels like Florida out here, but I'd say pretty good. Always nice to have a car meet in Queens. I feel like these days everything's always out in Long Island, so it's kind of like a nice refresher. It feels good. It's almost like throw it back to the 2016 days for me. But anyways, for the best content, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that
Thumbs up.
bell notification for the best content.
Take care, guys. Peace.